Hey guys, if you have any leftover grilled chicken, try this. Heat your oil in a wok or large pan. Saute your minced ginger and garlic until it's fragrant. Next, you want to add your mushroom, your onions, followed by your carrots, bok choy, or any vegetable that you please. And this makes this recipe very adaptable. Next, add your spaghetti, cooked spaghetti, of course, followed by your shredded grilled chicken. Give it a good stir and add your sauce. So the ingredients for your sauce are in the description below. So go check it out and top it off. Give it a good mix until the sauce reduces a bit, and then you can adjust for seasoning, salt, etc. And basically that is it. It's quick, delicious, easy, and nutritious. So don't forget to try it out. Any leftover chicken you may have at home, this is the recipe you want to try. Top it off with an egg and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.